Looking for a drone that captures jaw-dropping 4K footage without breaking the bank? Today, I'll show you the top 5 best 4K drones of 2025 that deliver pro-level performance for every budget. Welcome back to the channel. Whether you're a beginner looking to capture smooth aerial shots or a professional creator needing 4K video with stability and smart features, the drone market in 2025 has some incredible options. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 1. Potensic C0 Drone. This lightweight drone, under 249 grams, comes with a 3-axis gimbal, 4K HDR video, 8K photos, vertical shooting, and an impressive 10 km transmission range. It even has AI-powered night shot tracking. Customer reviews. Buyers love its stability in windy conditions and say the HDR video quality rivals premium drones that cost twice as much. Pros: ultra lightweight, travel-friendly, under 249 grams. 4K HDR video and 8K photos. Smooth 3-axis gimbal stabilization. 10 km long-range control. AI night tracking mode. Number 2. AE60 GPS Drone. The AE60 comes with a 7.2-inch LCD controller, 8K camera resolution, 6G Wi-Fi FPV, and a 3-axis gimbal for ultra-smooth footage. It also includes obstacle avoidance technology for safer flights. Customer reviews. Users love the controller with built-in display, which removes the hassle of using your phone screen in sunlight. Pros: 8K UHD camera with pro-level clarity. 7.2-inch LCD controller included. 3-axis gimbal for smooth video. Long flight distance, up to 7 km. Obstacle avoidance sensors. Number 3. Teeggi SG909 Drone. This foldable GPS drone offers 4K video, 6 km range, touchscreen controls, and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. It's compact yet powerful, making it great for travel and beginners. Customer reviews. Reviewers appreciate its user-friendly setup and say the obstacle avoidance is very responsive, which boosts confidence for first-time flyers. Pros: foldable, travel-friendly design. 4K video quality with clear aerial shots. 6 km max range. Touchscreen controller for easy navigation. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Number 4. AE86 Pro GPS Drone. The AE86 Pro MAX is a professional-grade drone featuring dual 4K HD cameras, 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, brushless motors for stability, and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. With its 3-axis gimbal, you'll get buttery smooth footage even in tougher flying conditions. Customer reviews. Owners highlight its powerful brushless motors and stable hover performance, saying it feels much more premium than its price. Pros: dual 4K HD cameras. 3-axis gimbal for stabilized shooting. Long-range 5G Wi-Fi FPV. 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Durable brushless motor design. Number 5. Potensic C0 4K Drone. The Potensic C0 is a lightweight drone under 249 grams, perfect for beginners. It comes with a single-axis gimbal, 4K video recording, GPS tracking, and up to 4 km range. Customer reviews. Users say it's a fantastic entry-level 4K drone, praising the GPS stability and ease of control for new pilots. Pros: under 249 grams, no FAA registration required. 4K video with solid clarity. GPS positioning for stable flight. 4 km max range. Beginner-friendly design. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. So, those are the top 5 best 4K drones of 2025 each, offering great features depending on your needs. For lightweight portability with pro features, the Potensic C0 is an excellent choice. If you want a big screen controller and 8K video, the AE60 is a beast. The Teeggi SG909 MAX is perfect for travelers who want easy control and 360 degrees obstacle avoidance. Need professional dual camera performance? The AE86 Pro MAX has you covered. And for beginners who want a reliable, budget-friendly drone, the Potensic C0 is a smart buy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more top product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.